Well, we did manage to make it up to Hogback Mountain this fall. I was wondering if it was going to happen. Last weekend was all rainy and windy, and you know how it is when fall really starts coming on. The rain, we get like all kinds of wind and rain, and fall's gone in a day. It's a little windy right now, but I think I'm still going to fly the drone. We'll roll the dice and try it again. Waiting for it to pick up enough satellites.
Home point updated.
Oh, there it is.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
It's a pretty gorgeous view. Those chipmunks been battling back and forth for 5 minutes in the ferns right next to the trail, right next to me. That was hilarious. They wouldn't stop. I thought about, oh, I should get my camera out. Oh, they'll be scared away. Nope. I eventually just got my camera out after I waited like a minute, and they're just wrestling like crazy. That's funny. So I'm flying to this place that's called the Glacial Striations right now. At least what I think. I've always seen it on in my binoculars, and I've been there in person. There's a little sign at the top of this ridge, and when the glaciers receded, they dragged boulders with them, and it cut huge grooves in the top of the rock. Oh yeah, there it is. So there's the sign. Yeah, it's windy. Uh-oh. We're getting a strong wind warning. It was intermittent, but we're heading for home. The fall colors are gorgeous. I got more than one strong wind warning. Evidently they come and go. As you can see, the fall colors are pretty awesome, but they're not going to last long. It wasn't too bad of a hike up here. The weather is perfect for hiking. I hiked almost all the way up here before I took a break because I started sweating. And then as usual, when I get to the top, I unpack all my stuff and let the sweat evaporate, and then put my jacket on. Well, this is kind of a test for director's view. I'm recording with my DJI mic, and I really like the sound of it. It's fantastic. But I did notice before, when I removed it and made a video where it was a mix of video with the DJI mic and video with just my camera, that the DJI mic was way better. And when I record video, not director's view video like this, but when I record regular video, when I hit the record button, it says transferring sound to external microphone. And on the director's view, when I hit record, it does not say that. So my guess is that it won't be the really nice stereo, crisp audio that I get with my DJI mic. I've got a little message from my goddess. I love you and this is beautiful, but you're more beautiful.